Welcome back to Forestry Tech. Today, we're diving into some thrilling and dangerous adventures that will leave you breathless. No need to wait any longer. Let's get started. Did you catch that? Trucks raising the bed, then out of nowhere. Boom! The Hitachi excavator struck the roof, bringing it down in one powerful sweep. The entire structure tilted to one side. The precision and power in each motion of the machine are breathtaking. This tree is definitely a comedian. In the heart of a burning coal mine, a backhoe with a hammer attachment works relentlessly. It's awe-inspiring to see the courage of the operator tackling these fierce conditions head-on. Oh man, that nearly gave me a heart attack. You know that split second when the rock is teetering on the edge and you're holding your breath? Unbelievable. A truck descending in fierce snow, suddenly skidding out of control. For safety, please exercise extreme caution when outdoors in such snowy conditions. The D11R bulldozer is more than just a machine. It's a spectacle. As it powers upward from deep pits, defying gravity, its engine's raw strength becomes crystal clear. Anthony Dixon, unstoppable as always, soaring to new heights. He's not just any monster trucker, he's the greatest in the UK.
He's got what it takes in this monster truck arena to impress. Still got to get the time. We've lost the wheel! We have lost the wheel from Lewis Cook!
Oh my gosh! Is this the ultimate unloading maneuver? It might be the best we've seen. Share your thoughts on this jaw-dropping feat in the comments below.
Just like I said it would.
Thanks to the excavator, the truck's predicament was resolved with remarkable efficiency. Can you feel the tension? The T-150 is stuck under the ice, roaring, fighting desperately to break free. But the ice won't budge. It's amazing how having reliable teammates can turn a tricky situation around just when you need it most.
ready?
Unbelievable. Gravely and Cub Cadet are stuck in a tug of war, neither backing down. This is straight out of a movie. A truck dumping steaming hot tar, and the ground shaking like a giant is walking by. Watch as the BLAZ 7558 takes the challenge head-on. See how the power-packed wheels tackle the frozen surface with determination, pushing through like it's just another day at the office. Forget SUVs, the GAZ 66 is the true winter warrior. It's built to conquer the harshest conditions. Fantastic. This rescue was something else. You could feel the tension, but they handled it like pros.
Loja.
That case CX-210 had to fight its way out of that canyon like a warrior. The angle was insane, but somehow the operator kept it together. The perseverance, the skill. It's like something out of an action movie. That's insane. I held my breath as the man-cat approached the steep slope. I can't believe how the 7800 HF Brushwolf just bulldozes through snow and underbrush like it's nothing. It's almost like a snow fighting superhero. I need one of these for my backyard. First bulldozer, total champ. Second bulldozer, help, I'm stuck. The difference in performance was like night and day. Can't believe it. Wow, did you see that John Deere 490 excavator? It practically glided down that slope like it was born for it. Precision and power all in one package. I can't believe this happened. This truck is good horse. He eat the diesel, but he do the work. Wish I can be right there. Good to see how strong it is. Trapped like a bug in amber, the truck's tires begged for freedom, but the ice wasn't having it. The truck is in a really bad shape. The entire lower part seems completely shattered. So lucky no injuries. Talk about nerves of steel. Whoever's operating that crane deserves an award for handling danger like it's just another Tuesday. As the truck climbs the steep terrain, its massive load showcases remarkable power and performance. The sight of it ascending, unshaken by the heavy burden, is truly impressive. The K700, a behemoth in action, hauling a stranded Scania out of the icy grip of the snow. Can you feel the power, the effort, and the sheer will to overcome the odds?
Твою мать!
예, 여보세요? 예, 예. 아침에 만나기로 했는데 못 만났고.
Incredible. That drift was absolutely insane. It was so close, my heart was racing. That's a prime example of skill, trust, and precision. A tire on fire. Chaos ensues. Staff scramble, fire extinguishers at the ready. The smoke is thick, almost suffocating. Yet, against all odds, they pull together, conquering the blaze. A success story written in sweat and teamwork.
问题是定期做好货车刹车、轮胎零转。
That burst of black smoke came out of nowhere. I thought the engine was on the verge of blowing, but it's actually just clearing out unburnt fuel. The way it shot out when the RPMs went up was crazy. My gosh! I can't believe this. A tractor pulling hay bales over snow, like a professional racer. A powerful beast of military engineering, the Man-Cat Mill GL 8x8, 10-ton rumbles across the road with unstoppable force. That crunch sounds like the car's chewing on ice cubes. Honestly, it's oddly satisfying. Well, the truck bed's taking a nap today. Guess it needed a break. Is it just me, or did that excavator look like it was sliding into a freestyle event? That thing was almost dancing down the hill. So crazy. Wood-laden truck glide across the ditch with ease. Nature's bounty on wheels, flowing seamlessly. Guess that truck wasn't feeling too stable today. Wow, superpower truck. The craziest car drift I've ever seen. This is how they don't teach you, but your employer expects it done like.
It could be a problem.
This if nothing breaks. Let's go. So cool. It literally powered through the river like it was just another pothole in the road. No hesitation, no second thoughts, just full throttle through those raging waters. I am in complete disbelief. An entire train has collided with the rear of a massive ballast truck. Thankfully, no one was hurt this time. It's funny that the excavator looks like it's touching the house so gently. Kraz trucks are absolute terrain-destroying machines. Just look at the way it speeds. Incredible. The raw power, the unstoppable force, they crush everything in their path. These beasts are truly in a league of their own. Is this the craziest rescue attempt ever for a bulldozer stuck in ice? He did a good job pulling that other one out, and they didn't drop the hitch that was on the stuck skidder. Whoa, that cargo drop was like the opening act. Then boom, The whole truck just rolled over like it was playing dead. Rescue attempt? More like a comedy of errors. Oh my God! It was so close. It seems like luck wasn't riding with the driver today. This crane was an absolute beast, lifting 80 tons at a time. I bet the demolition felt like closing a chapter of Bernie's history. Look at that flip. You wouldn't expect that kind of move from something so heavy. Well, that's one way to remodel. Tree smashed the house perfectly. Oh no, disaster on the highway. Those wooden planks just flew off the truck like missiles. Talk about living on the edge. That truck could have easily slipped into an icy abyss. Look at their focus. Teamwork never fails, even when the stakes are high. I was on board until I saw the dozer doing the pulling. Classic.
Look at Sticky Dude.
Whoa, that fuel tanker lit up like a fireball, but the driver bolted just in time. Talk about cutting it close. Seconds more, and it could have been a disaster. Did you see that? A tree just decided it wanted a new home, right on top of that roof. Talk about an unexpected house guest. The tension was palpable as the T-35.01 made its ascent onto the trailer. That level of precision? Unbelievable. Hats off to the crew for pulling it off without a hitch. The B-10 looked like it was on a smooth ride until it pulled off an unexpected stunt. Talk about a heart-stopping moment. Wood was everywhere when a truck lost control and overturned. Luckily, no one was injured. The curiosity is killing me. Watching him fumble with that lawnmower is like a scene from an action movie. Will he make it or won't he? Bravo! It's not just skill, it's pure bravery to face a current like that behind the wheel. That was a close call. The driver was too eager to leave, but the bed was still in a precarious position. One wrong move could have spelled disaster. The tree said, "Hey, wait for me, boy." Well, it looks easy, but one wrong move and you're flipping like a pancake. What a lesson in load management and vehicle control. A thrilling showdown of might. The 160 iron and the Fiat 160/90 are battling it out like gladiators. I can hardly watch, it's that intense.
Louis! Oh, get up! Sto cazzo!
Do you find this performance impressive? Share your thoughts in the comments below.
Whoa!
The Kirovets is in big trouble. It's stuck in a mound of snow. This is going to be a real challenge to rescue. What happened? Nice work, guys. What's going on?
यार ये देखो यार ट्रक अब मशीन उतर रही है इसमें से अभी दिखाता हूँ आपको देखो यार ट्रक देख कैसे उतरती है यार
Too smooth. They handled everything with absolute professionalism.
कैसे उतर रही है आगे भाई पीछे
Okay, you can go. If there was ever a perfect example of two hands are better than one, this is it. Teamwork really saved the day here. None damn. Damn, playing with fire. Today is a lucky day for the driver. Forget luxury. Watch the Kamaz tackle a snow-covered muddy road with relentless determination. This powerhouse defies the elements. Forget the gas station, folks. Looks like we've got a free-flowing fountain of fuel right here. Heavy load, steep hill, and then... whoops. That slide back must have been terrifying for the driver. What's next? The combination of that truck and the excavator in such a precarious position is almost cinematic. Let's hope they pull off a rescue before everything goes haywire. It's a 6WD Rezona. Oops. Now that's when you're having a bad day, lol. Just like a dinosaur facing a challenge, the Kraz 6x6 takes on the river. What a sight to see. This truck's got some serious hang time. Somebody should hand it a trophy for best liftoff at the dock. Surprise yet. Finally, unloading successful. Did you hear that roar? That power stroke just went full beast mode. Sounds like it's ready to tear up the pavement. A few situations will leave you amazed. That's not just skill, that's pure bravery. Watching that excavator descend had my heart in my throat. Man, exhaustion is no joke. 1 second he's dozing off and the next, bam, a whole shelf of goods comes crashing down. Crazy! Those steel rolls were seconds away from disaster. That stop nearly turned deadly. Talk about skill. That excavator gliding up the ramp looked like it was born to do this. Just wow. What a dangerous moment in that scrapyard. That crane's fall was like a scene from an action movie. Someone call the stunt coordinator. Smoothest rescue ever. The truck woke up like a charm. Wow, that Komatsu PC1250 was in deep. I thought it was going to be stuck there for hours, but the operator made it look easy, like pulling a toy out of the sand. Tatra is in 3 words: strength, beauty, perfection. And 8 times 8 is just a miracle. Thank you for watching the entire video. If you loved these amazing moments, remember to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to stay updated on newest content from Forestry Tech.